Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off fixed dialing numbers to restrict outgoing calls on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, open up the phone app. In here, tap on the option key at the top. From the pop-up menu, you want to choose Settings. And in Call Settings, go down and tap on Supplementary Services. Next, we're going to tap on Fixed Dialing Numbers. And then tap on Turn Off or Turn On Fixed Dialing Number, FDN. Now you need to put in the PIN or password. So my default PIN is 1234. So you might have a different PIN. So you put in your own fixed dialing numbers PIN. Now once it is turned on, you can see my phone currently calls numbers in this list. If it is not in this list, I will not be able to make the call. So here you can see I can call 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, or 0 I mean. And if I try to call any other numbers, it will not work. Okay, so let's try again. I might have turned it off already, so let's go back and turn it on. So supplementary services, fixed dialing numbers, and then turn on. Okay, so now it is on. And if I go back to my phone app and try to make a call, the show fixed dialing numbers is on, so you can only call approved numbers. And that's it. So that's how you can turn it off or turn it on your Galaxy S22 series. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.